Hi Purdue, and welcome back to our math time. So today we are going to start off with our counting hands again. So I'm going to have my hand out and you are going to tell me how many you're going to count with me. So if I'm showing this, it's 0. If I go like this, I have one finger out, so I'm counting 1. If I go like this, I have 2 fingers out. 1, 2, so it is 2. And if I go like this, then I have 3 fingers out. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to count with me. Watch my fingers carefully and don't get tricked. So we're going to start off slow. So I have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're going to speed it up, and I'm going to be trying to trick you a little bit more this time, so be careful. Watch me go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, so that was our small warm up so that we can get our fingers counting and our brains in our math zone. So now what we are going to do is we are going to talk about things like we did on Friday about yesterday, that things that are the same. Now, so we talked about things that are the same and things that are exactly the same. If they're exactly the same, that there's nothing different about them. If they're almost the same, that means that they have a lot of things that are the same, but there might be 1 or 2 things that are different. So we're going to pay close attention to all of those. Now, if I show you these pictures, I want you thinking in your head, what am I showing you? How would you describe these 2 things to people? So I'm going to give you about 1 minute to think about it. All right, so what could I say about these 2? I can say that they are both balls. So I have 2 balls. I can say that they are 2 tennis balls if I want to be very specific. I can say one is yellow and one is white. So now if I'm thinking about it, are they exactly the same or are they almost the same? So if they're exactly the same, that means there is nothing different. If they are almost the same, that means that there might be 1 or 2 things that are different. So I can say that they are almost the same. So I could say they are the same, but one is yellow and one is white. So that's how I can describe them because the colors are different. Now, if I showed you this, I want you thinking of how can I describe this? How can I talk about this? Pick these 2 pictures. So I can say they are 2 cups. They are both red. They have lines on them. So are they exactly the same or are they almost the same? They are almost the same. So I want you to repeat after me. They are almost the same, but one has a straw and one does not. So you repeat it after me. They are almost the same, but one has a straw and one does not. All right. So when I'm looking at these are how I want us to think about them. We're thinking about them about what is the same and what is not the same about them. Now, if I showed you this one, what can I say about them? I can say they are both turtles. They are the same color. They are both smiling. So are they exactly the same or almost the same? They're almost the same. There's one difference. This guy has 1 dot on him, and this guy has 1, 2, 3 dots on him. Now, I was counting like with my fingers earlier. I have 3 dots and I have 1 dot. So, repeat after me. They are almost the same, but one has 1 dot and one has 3 dots. Awesome job, guys. All right, now if I'm looking at these two, I can say that they are both glue bottles. They both have some glue coming out of them. They both have the same label and they're the same color. So can I say that they are exactly the same or almost the same? I can say that they are exactly the same because there is no difference. Now if I look at 2 more pictures. So if I'm looking at these, I can say that they are both coffee cups. They both have something inside of them. They both have polka dots. But now it's your turn to decide, are they exactly the same or are they almost the same? They are almost the same. So you're going to repeat after me. They are almost the same, but one is purple and one is red. Awesome job, guys. Now my last one that we're going to look at is this. So they are both flowers. They have a yellow mid-center and the petals are blue. So are they exactly the same or almost the same? They are exactly the same because there is nothing different about them. There is nothing different about them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at our math paper. So always the first thing I do is I write my name. So that's what I'm going to do first. Miss Martini. And then I'm going to write the date. So remember, it is September, which is our number 9 month. Put a little line. It is the number 9 day. So I'm going to put a 9 again and a line. And I'm going to write my year, which is 2020. Awesome job. All right. Now, my directions say, use your ruler to draw a line between 2 objects that match. Use your words. These are the same, but this one is blank and this one is blank. So if you don't have a ruler, that's okay. I want you to just draw the straightest line that you can. So we're going to do one practice together. Now this is different because when you are turning this into me, you are going to make a video of yourself. And I'm going to show you why. So it's not just a picture, you're going to send me a video and I'll tell you why. So if I'm looking, I'm going to start with this guy right here. I'm going to look on this side now. So I found this guy on this side, and now I'm going to look on this side on which one is the same or almost the same. So I'm going to draw a line because these are both cats and they look the same. So now I have to think, are they exactly the same or are they almost the same? There's one difference between them. So now when you send me your video, what you are going to say is, these are the same, but this one is standing up and this one is sitting down. So you see how I'm pointing while I'm talking and I'm telling you why they are different. So when it is your turn to turn this into me, what you're going to do is you're going to draw your line, and once you have all of your lines drawn, you are going to send me a video and you're going to say, these are the same, but this one is standing up and this one is sitting down. Then it's going to be your turn now to figure out the rest of these. You're going to match them with a line, and then you're going to send me a video of you telling me how they are different. So that is your math work for today. So get started and have fun, guys. I can't wait to see your videos.